class. Today we're going to be learning about 3.14. Now, can anyone tell me what this number means? This number is pi.
Like an apple pie? Or like a pizza pie? Or a whoopie pie?
No, silly. Pi is a mathematical term, but I like the way you think. Actually, I have an idea. Let's learn pi from a new perspective.
In the kitchen,
Let's make whoopie pies.
While we begin to mix our dry ingredients, let's learn a little more about what pi represents and how it is calculated. Pi itself is an irrational number, which means it cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. In other words, it cannot be written as a simple fraction because it has an infinite number of non-repeating decimal places. Pi is a never-ending number. But it is most commonly rounded to 3.14 or represented by this Greek letter. Pi is calculated using the ratio of a circle's circumference divided by its diameter. To understand this, you need to know how to identify the parts of a circle. Let's use this whoopie pie as an example. The circumference is the total distance around a circle, and the diameter is the distance across it, or twice the radius. Regardless of the circle's size, this ratio will always equal pi. The diameter of this pie is 2.5 inches, and its circumference is 7.85 inches. If we divide the circumference by the diameter, we will get pi, or 3.14. Now that you know what pi is and its purpose, let's take a look at some fun facts about pi as we continue to mix together our ingredients. The symbol for pi has been used for over 250 years. It was first introduced by a mathematician in 1706 and has continued to grow in popularity throughout the years. The world record for the most digits of pi memorized and recited is 70,000 by a man named Rajveer Meena in 2015. It took him almost 10 hours to complete the recitation. Based on the first 3 digits of pi, March 14th is celebrated as National Pi Day. Since 2009, the 14th day of the 3rd month of each year has been declared the day to recognize the valuable mathematic ratio. As we finish assembling our whoopie pies, you can see that the lengths of the diameters on each pie wrap around the perimeters approximately 3.14 times. Because of pi, we can ensure that the bases of our whoopie pies are perfect circles. In addition to baking, pi has endless uses in physics, astronomy, architecture, and construction. It affects the way we measure angles and build the world around us. After learning about pi, you can now view the circles around you in a whole new way. So the next time you make a whoopie pie, eat a pizza, or dig into an apple pie, you will be able to recognize pi as more than just a delicious treat.
So, what do you think about pi now?
It's delicious.